we wanted to know if any local medical groups had doctors in the 4 countries affected by the outbreak. We learned one of the Americans who was infected while trying to prevent the spread worked for a Kansas organization.
Typically within, 2 weeks, you're either better or dead.
The deadliest outbreak of Ebola ever is hitting West Africa. The virus is spread through bodily fluids, and symptoms begin like many less severe illnesses.
Fever, headache, body aches, muscle pains, upset stomach, diarrhea.
Then progress to yellowing of the eyes and excessive bleeding.
The likelihood of it spreading in the U.S. is exceedingly low.
UNMC Dr. Travis Van Schoenfeld is an infectious disease specialist. He says modern medicine and hygiene practices will likely prevent Ebola from making its way to the West.
The hygiene practices are not at the same standard. They don't have the same setup in their healthcare institutions.
Which is why many American doctors are in West Africa trying to control its spread. There are no health institutes in Omaha with doctors practicing in West Africa. But the Institute for International Medicine in Kansas does.
There are no plans to pull out of the area.
InMed has physicians in Ghana. Because there are no reports of Ebola in that country, they will continue to practice.
In that area, they do not have Ebola presently reported. And so we remain vigilant about the possibility that it could strike that region. But at this point, there doesn't seem to be any evidence of it.
Former InMed student, physician Kent Brantley, is one of the Americans who contracted Ebola in Liberia. Comnanella says Brantley is suffering. He does not know the prognosis. Van Schoenfeld says doctors know the gamble they're taking before they leave.
It is a big risk for healthcare workers over there.
And once infected, a person will show symptoms within days. There is no known treatment for Ebola, and it is not an airborne virus. A person would have to come in contact with infected fluids to be at risk. Reporting live, Rebecca Ray, KMTV Action 3 News.